6. This system applied in this case is called bypass system. 7. This system will prevent of undesirable buildup of excess alkali chloride and alkali sulfate in the dry rotary kiln system. 8. Oxidizing condition in burning zone reduces the evaporation of sulfur, alkali and permit for them to leave the rotary kiln with the clinker. 9. The evaporation of sulfur will not be affected much by its concentration in the fuel, or the amount of circulation of sulfate in rotary kiln system. 10. But it is mainly dependent how much of the sulfur is in the form of sulfide, and organic sulfur, since this organic sulfur will behave in the same manner as sulfide, and they are also evaporating at lower temperature 400 to 600 degrees C. 6. Sulfur in rawmill applied as rotary kiln feed gases from preheater, will usually be applied for drying purpose of rawmill.